Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on May 19th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkrupa Tamaham Vande Shri Gurum Deenatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Mishwaram Hari Om. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today we will continue with the compilation of the Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Today's chapter is entitled Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya requests Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to accept lunch at his house. Under the section, the Lord accepts prasadam at the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. CC Madhya 15.186.
সার্বভৌমের প্রভুকে এক মাস নিমন্ত্রণ। প্রভু পাশাসী সার্বভৌম একদিন জোর হাত করি কিছু কইল নিবেদন।
One day, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya came before Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with folded hand and submitted a request. CC Madhya 15.187.
এবে সব বৈষ্ণব গৌর দেশে চলে গেল, এবে প্রভুর নিমন্ত্রণে অবসর হইল।
Since all the Vaishnavas had returned to Bengal, there was a good chance that the Lord would accept an invitation. CC Madhya 15.188.
মাসব্যাপী নিমন্ত্রণ শ্রবণে প্রভুর আপত্তি এবং জ্যোতিধর্ম বিরুদ্ধ বলিয়া ভিক্ষার সময় হ্রাস। এবে মোর ঘরে ভিক্ষা করহ মাস ভরি, প্রভু কহে ধর্ম নহে করিতে না পারি।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "Please accept my invitation for lunch for 1 month." The Lord replied, "That is not possible because it is against the religious principles of a sannyasi." CC Madhya 15.189. CC Madhya 15.189.
ভট্টের ভিক্ষাকাল বর্ধন ও প্রভুর হ্রাস চেষ্টাক্রমে একদিন মাত্র ভিক্ষার প্রভুর সম্মতি। সার্বভৌম কহে ভিক্ষা করহ বিংশ দিন, প্রভু কহে এ নহে জ্যোতিধর্ম চিহ্ন।
Sarvabhauma then said, "Please accept the invitation for 20 days. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, "It is not a religious principle of the renounced order." CC Madhya 15.190.
সার্বভৌম কহে পুনঃ দিন পঞ্চদশ, প্রভু কহে তোমার ভিক্ষা একা দিবস।
When Sarvabhauma requested Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to accept lunch for 15 days, the Lord said, "I shall accept lunch at your place for 1 day only."
Lord Chaitanya was establishing a system for sannyasis.
So Lord Chaitanya was establishing the system for the sannyasis.
And they could only take
That he can only take prasadam
for 1 day
for 1 day
at one grihastha's house.
at one grihastha's house. CC Madhya 15.191.
বহু দৈন বিনয়ে ভট্টের 10 দিন করিতে চেষ্টা, তবে সার্বভৌম প্রভুর চরণে ধরিয়া 10 দিন ভিক্ষা করো কহে বিনতি করিয়া।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya then caught hold of the Lord's lotus feet and submissively begged, "Please accept lunch for at least 10 days."
অবশেষে 5 দিন ভিক্ষা স্বীকার। প্রভু ক্রমে ক্রমে 5 দিন ঘটাইল, 5 দিন তার ভিক্ষা নিমন্ত্রণ নিল।
In this way, by and by, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reduced the duration to 5 days. Thus, for 5 days he regularly accepted the Bhattacharya's invitation to lunch.
10 জন সন্ন্যাসী নিমন্ত্রণ ব্যবস্থা। তবে সার্বভৌম করে আর নিবেদন, তোমার সঙ্গে সন্ন্যাসী আছে 10 জন।
After this, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "My Lord, there are 10 sannyasis with you." Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. A sannyasi should not cook food for himself or accept an invitation to eat at a devotee's house continuously for many days. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very kind and affectionate towards his devotee, yet he would not accept long invitation at Sarvabhauma's house. Out of affection, he accepted only 5 days in a month. The 10 sannyasis living with the Lord were 1. Paramananda Puri, 2nd. Swarup Damodar, 3rd. Brahmananda Puri, 4th. Brahmananda Bharati, 5th. Vishnu Puri, 6th. Keshava Puri, 7th. Krishnananda Puri, 8th. Nrisimha Tirtha, 9th. Sukhananda Puri, 10th. Satyananda Bharati.
You can see how Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is very expert.
So we can see how Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was very expert.
First, he requested the Lord to take prasad at his house for 30 days.
First, he requested the Lord to take prasad at his house for 30 days,
Then 20 days,
then 15 days,
then 15 days,
10 days,
then 10 days.
then 10 days. So finally,
The Lord accepted 5 days.
the Lord accepted 5 days. Haribol. CC Madhya 15.194.
পরমানন্দ পুরীকে 5 দিন ভিক্ষা দান। পুরী গোসাইর ভিক্ষা 5 দিন মোর ঘরে, পূর্বে আমি কহিয়াছে তোমার গোচরে।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya then submitted that Paramananda Puri Goswami would accept a 5-day invitation at his place. This had already been settled before the Lord. CC Madhya 15.195.
স্বরূপকে কখনো প্রভু সঙ্গে কখনো একাকী 4 দিন ভিক্ষা দান স্বীকার। দামোদর স্বরূপ এই বান্ধব আমার, কভু তোমার সঙ্গে যাবে কভু একেশ্বর।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya said, "Damodar Swarup is my intimate friend. He will come sometimes with you and sometimes alone." CC Madhya 15.196.
অবশিষ্ট 8 জন সন্ন্যাসীকে 16 দিন ভিক্ষা দান। আর 8 সন্ন্যাসীর ভিক্ষা 2 দিবসে, এক দিন এক জনে পূর্ণ হইল মাসে।
The other 8 sannyasis will accept invitations for 2 days each. In this way, there will be engagements for each and every day during the entire month. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. During the entire month, consisting of 30 days, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would visit Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya for 5 days. Paramananda Puri would visit for 5 days. Swarup Damodar for 4 days, and the 8 other sannyasis for 2 days each. In this way, the 30 days of the month would be filled.
So, you can see how a Grihastha, he fills his whole month serving sannyasi.
So we can see how a grihastha, he fills his whole month by serving the sannyasis.
Sarvabhaumacharya, very expert,
So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was very expert
serve the sannyasis.
to serve the sannyasis. CC Madhya 15.197.
10 জন সন্ন্যাসীর একত্র ভিক্ষায় যথাযোগ্য মর্যাদা সংরক্ষণে অসম্ভাবনা হেতু অপরাধ আশঙ্কা। বহুত সন্ন্যাসী যদি আইসে এক ঠায় সম্মান করিতে নারী অপরাধ পায়।
If all the sannyasis come together, it would be not possible for me to pay them proper respects. Therefore, I would be an offender. CC Madhya 15.198.
কখনো 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 একক কখনো স্বরূপ সঙ্গে নিমন্ত্রণ। তুমিও নিশ্ছায়ে আসিবে মোর ঘরে, কবু সঙ্গে আনিবে স্বরূপ দামোদরে।
Sometimes you will come alone to my place, and sometimes you will be accompanied by Swarup Damodar. CC Madhya 15.199.
প্রভুর অনুমোদনে প্রভুকে নিমন্ত্রণ। প্রভুর ইঙ্গিত পাইয়া আনন্দিত মন, সেই দিন মহাপ্রভু কইল নিমন্ত্রণ।
Having this arrangement confirmed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Bhattacharya became very glad and immediately invited the Lord to his house on the very next day.
On that very day,
On that very day. CC Madhya 15.200.
ভট্ট পত্নী ষাঠির মাতা প্রভু ভক্ত। ষাঠির মাতা নাম ভট্টাচার্যের গৃহিণী, প্রভুর মহাভক্ত তেহ স্নেহেতে জননী।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's wife was known as Satira Mata, Shatira Mata, the mother of Shati. She was a great devotee of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and she was affectionate like a mother. CC Madhya 15.201.
ষাঠির মাতার রন্ধন। ঘরে আসি ভট্টাচার্য তাঁরে আজ্ঞা দিল, আনন্দে ষাঠির মাতা পাক চড়াইল।
After returning to his home, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya gave orders to his wife, and his wife, Shatira Mata, began cooking with great pleasure. CC Madhya.
so the wife of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Satya Mata,
So the wife of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, Satira Mata,
she was very enthusiastic to be able to cook for Lord Chaitanya.
she was very enthusiastic for being able to cook for Lord Chaitanya.
She became very happy
So she became very happy
to hear the news.
to get the news, to hear the news.
And this is the sign of
And this is
pure devotees.
and this is the sign of the pure devotees,
They are very eager to serve the Lord.
that they are very eager to serve the Lord. CC Madhya 15.202.
শাক ফলাদি নানা নৈবেদ্য সংগ্রহ। ভট্টাচার্যের গৃহে দ্রব্য আছে ভরি, যে বা শাক ফলাদি আনিল আহারি।
At Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house, there was always a full stock of food. Whatever spinach, vegetables, fruit, and so on were required, he collected and brought back home. CC Madhya 15.203.
স্বয়ং ভট্টের পত্নীকে রন্ধনে সহায়তা। আপনি ভট্টাচার্য করে পাকের সব কর্ম, ষাঠির মাতা বিচক্ষণা জানে পাকের কর্ম।
Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya personally began to help Satira Mata cook. She was very experienced and she knew how to cook nicely.
The Vaishnavis should also become experienced how to cook for the Lord.
So the Vaishnavis should become very experienced how to cook for the Lord.
It's one of the services that they should learn.
This is one of the services that they should learn.
Here we say that Sarvabhaumacharya, he helped cook with his wife.
So here we see that Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he helped cook with his wife. CC Madhya 15.204.
রন্ধন ভোগগৃহ বর্ণন পাকশালার দক্ষিণে দুই ভোগালয় এক ঘরে শালগ্রামের ভোগ সেবা হয়।
On the southern side of the kitchen were two rooms for offering food, and in one of them the food was offered to Shalagrama Narayana. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Among the followers of the Vedic way, the Shalagrama Shila, the Vigraha of Narayana, is worshipped in the form of a stone ball. In India, every Brahmana still worships the Shaligrama Shila in his home. The Vaishyas and Kshatriyas may also engage in this worship, but it is compulsory in the house of a Brahmana. CC Madhya 15.205.
আর ঘরে মহাপ্রভুর ভিক্ষার লাগিয়া নিভৃতে করিয়াছে ভট্ট নূতন করিয়া।
The other room was for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's lunch. The Lord's lunch room was very secluded, and it was newly constructed by the Bhattacharya.
In other words, Sarvabhaumacharya had specifically constructed a room
So in other words, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya had specifically constructed a room
for Lord Krishna Chaitanya to take his prasadam.
for Lord Krishna Chaitanya to take his prasadam. CC Madhya 15.206.
বাহ্যে একদার তার প্রভু প্রবেশিতে পাকশালায় একদার অন্ন প্রবেশিতে।
The room was so constructed that there was only one door opening on the outside, which served as an entrance for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There was another door attached to the kitchen, and it was through this door that the food was brought.
You can see how Sarvabhaumacharya did all the arrangements
So we can see how Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he had made all the arrangements
to be able to serve Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
to able to serve Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
as his guest,
as his guest,
take his lunch in the Krishna Prasadam.
to take his lunch, the Krishna Prasadam. Thus ends the chapter entitled Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya requests Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to accept lunch at his house. Under the section, the Lord accepts prasadam at the house of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.